I just want to make one thing clear, whether you go through the course or not go through the course, okay? Like, if I was going to give you some advice, my advice would be just having the right answer or the right solution ain't even close to enough in this world. You have to be able to have that person arrive at that answer in their own way, because forcing your way through this world avails almost nothing. And then, see, I'm already going into a long answer, Sean, and you haven't even asked the question yet. And when we force our way, this is what the social media gurus never talk about. When you, come on, your wife knew you were coming down here. With that garbage, right? When you force your way into a sale, even if it's a B2B $36 million reoccurring annual revenue deal, when you force your way with witty, clever comebacks, you know what you get? You get a customer that was never sold to begin with, and they get pissed off, and they expect the world from you, and then the minute something happens or their renewal comes up, they turn into Janet Jackson from the 90s, what have you done for me lately, dun, 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 because they were never bought in. Right? You just discounted or came up with a clever solution. This is how you get pissed off people. If you want a tribe of customers and clients that are like, I work with Sean, Sean's the best. Did he have, you know, a way for us to get X, Y, Z and ABC? No. Turns out we don't need it. Right? Here's what I really like about Sean. Those people are bought in. Right? But if somebody complains to Sean and goes, can you give me X, Y, Z and A? Well, I can't, but I can give you 20% off. Okay, let's do it. That's never going to be a happy client because you had to buy your way in. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.